Hello and welcome and namaskar. Time series analysis, conversion of trend equation, and let's take an interesting case. The annual trend is for sales in million units having origin on July 1, 2011. Y estimated equals to 81.6 plus 28.8x. Required quarterly trend. First we need to find out the quarterly trend from this annual trend. Number 2, monthly trend with January 15, 2012 as origin. So we have to give this answer into two steps. First, to find monthly trend and then to shift the origin to January 15, 2012. And number 3, monthly trend values for March 2012 to August 2012 on the basis of this. Okay. Because we need monthly trend value, so we have to use the monthly trend. And since there is no specific date of these months, it will be advisable to believe that we need to find the trend values for March 15, 2012 to August 15, 2012, as there is no specific information about the date of origin. Okay, let's first find out the quarterly trend. And as we know that to get quarterly trend, first we need to divide A by 4 plus B divided by 4 for quarter and then 12 for monthly X values. So ultimately it will be 81.6 divided by 4 plus, sorry, I wrote B. I should write 28.8 here. 28.8 divided by 48x. So the quarterly trend is 81.6 divided by 4 is 20.4 plus 28.8 divided by 48 is 0.6 x. This is quarterly trend. Origin same, July 1, 2011. X units 1 quarter and Y units average quarterly values. Okay. Now the second item we need is monthly trend with January 15, 2012 as origin. So we need to convert the annual trend into a monthly trend, as well as we need to shift the origin from July 1, 2011 to January 15, 2012. We are going to find both of these things separately. First we are going to find the monthly trend. Monthly trend. Okay. To have monthly trend, we need to divide the constant A by 12 and B, 28.8 by 12 into 12, hence the X will be monthly. So it will be 81.6 divided by 12 plus 28.8 divided by 144x. So it is 10.2, is it? No, it is not 10.2. I will have to use calculator to get the accurate answer. It will be 6.8 because it is 12, not 8. 6.8 plus 0.2 x. This is the monthly trend. Having origin same, July 1, 2011. X units 1 month because we divide the B by 12 into 12, and Y units average monthly values. But we actually need monthly trend with January 15, 2012 as origin. Our origin is still July 1, 2011. What should we do? July 1, 2011 and January 15, 2012. July, August, September, October, November, December of 2011 and half month, 15th January. So half month of 2012. We need to shift the origin 6.5 months forward. Shifting the origin to January 15, 2012. Yes, July 1, 2011. I'm sorry. January 15, 2012 minus July 1, 2011 equals to 6.5 months forward. Because it is positive, 6.5 months. Now, what's the monthly trend? Estimated y equals to 6.8 plus 0.2x. And now we want x 6.5 months forward. So, it will be now 6.8 plus 0.2 into x plus 6.5. So, it will be 6.8 plus 0.2x plus 1.3. So ultimately it comes to 8.1 plus 0.2x, where origin is now 2012 January 15. X units monthly, or rather 1 month, and y units average monthly values. This is the final answer of sub question number 2. Monthly trend with January 15, 2012 as origin. This is monthly trend with July 1, 2011 as origin. This is not final answer. But we got final answer in 2 steps. Yes. Now what? Yes, we need monthly trend values for March 2012 to August 2012. Since there is no specific information of dates of these months, we believe that we need to find trend values for March 15, 2012 to August 15, 2012. Trend values March 15, 2012 to August 15, 2012. I would like to prepare a small table. Month, X and trend value. That will be 8.1 plus 0.2 x. We would simplify. Now month March. Yes, March. And the origin is January. So month will be February and March 2. X value will be 2. Because origin is January 2012 and we need the trend value of March. So in March the value of x will be 2. March minus January, something like that. 2. So it will be 8.1 plus 0.2 into 2. That will be 8.1 plus 0.4. So it will be 8.5. April. Obviously, the x value will be 3 and the trend value will be 8.1 plus 0.2 into 3. That is 8.1 plus 0.6. That will be 8.7. See, the difference between these two must be equivalent to B, the constant rate of change, the constant rate of monthly change, or the constant rate of monthly increase, because B is positive. May minus January, that will be 4. So 8.1 plus 0.2 into 4, that is 8.1 plus 0.8, that will be 8.9. Similarly, June, X5 8.1 plus 0.2 into 5, that is 8.1 plus 1, 9.1. July, it is something like labor work, but we have to follow the instruction given by the examiner. July, it will be 6, X value 8.1 plus 0.2 into 6, that is 8.1 plus 1.2, that is 9.3. And August, because we need to find out the trend value till August 2012. X takes value 7, 8.1 plus 0.2 into 7, that is 8.1 plus 1.4, that is 9.5. Remember that all these values are number of units in millions, because this is the annual trend for sales in million units. So this is 8.5 million units, 8.7 million units, and so on. So in the first stage, we converted the annual trend into a quarterly trend, then into a monthly trend, then we shifted the origin of the monthly trend by 6.5 months forward, and these are the trend value on the basis of these new monthly trend after shifting the origin. That's it. Thank you very much.